Okay guys, first up is breakfast. So I'm going to show you how to put together one of my favorite recipes, an overnight oats. These beautiful etúHOME containers are perfect for this recipe because you can mix everything up in the bowl, pop the top on it, and put it in your refrigerator overnight. You wake up in the morning, you have a delicious and nutritious breakfast for you and your entire family. The way I make my oats, I have a few dry ingredients that I'm going to add, but the most important thing to remember about this recipe is we are encouraging you to use your pantry staples as well as what you have in your refrigerator. So first, I have some ground cinnamon and some cacao powder, which are two of my favorite ingredients. Not super sweet, but definitely add a lot of flavor to this dish. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in with my oats. Next up, I have some chia seeds, yummy chia seeds. If you don't have chia seeds in your pantry currently, flax seeds are also really good to add to an overnight oats, or you can just leave all that out. No big deal, not necessary, just, again, I'm using what I have in my pantry. Next up, I had some, you can use a little bit of agave if you have agave, or even maple syrup. Anything that you have, put it in here that's gonna add a little bit of that sweetness. Next, I have my milk. Next is our milk. Today, I am using a whole cow's milk just because I had that in my refrigerator, but there are so many other options depending on your family's preference. You can use a soy milk, any sort of nut milk, an oat milk even, anything that's shelf stable if you have that in your pantry, which brings me to evaporated milk. I always have several cans of evaporated milk in my pantry just in case, and you could definitely use this in this recipe. You do want to dilute it just a little bit so that you get about 2 cups of liquid out of this to add to your oats. So I'm going to pour my liquid in here, and then all I have to do is mix it all up. And I've got this amazing overnight oats breakfast that I'm going to pop in my refrigerator and serve it with a little bit of fresh fruit in the morning when it's ready to go.